One of my project, I was asked to load text file into a table. They have a folder. In this folder, we get a text file every day. Someday it is 100, someday it is 150. We don't know the number of the text file, but they have the similar data structure. So I have to load all the text files into the table along with area name. And for that, in order to get the area name, I have to use the lookup table. And the lookup table is this one. Lookup table is this one. So let me show you the mapping. I already created the mapping. So let me show you. Okay. Okay. So this is my source. So since I have a list of files, so I have to use file list. I have to use, this is my source folder, then I use, instead of like single object, this time I'm going to use file list, and I'm going to give the file list name. So let me go to the folder and show you the list file. So this is my list file. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to create in front of you. So you just go over here. You have to use Unix scripting for this. So this is the script you have to type, and then just click enter, and it will create the file list for you. Now let's go back to the mapping. Okay, now I have to get a lookup transformation, and this transformation has to be unconnected lookup. You cannot use connected lookup, then I have to use 21 lookup transformation, and that's not uh, efficient. This is gonna take long time, and that's gonna give you a lot of hard time because you have to manually create those. So that's why I'm going to create unconnected lookup. You can give any name you want. Incoming field, you create the incoming field. You just hit plus sign, and then you give a meaningful name. So I put source area. The reason I put source, so that I can easily distinguish this is the incoming field. Now go to the lookup object. Um, my lookup object is in Oracle table, so I choose the my Oracle, and it says source type is single object. Lookup object name, my table name is area. And then you go to the lookup condition, you click plus sign, and over here you choose area, because your lookup condition is area, right? So you choose area and click equal. You can choose many things, but I'm going to choose equal. And over here you're going to choose the source area you created, that one. And return field is very important. So what are you going to return? So you're going to return only area name, right? So this is why I choose return area name. If I choose area, then it will be returned. I don't want that. I want the area name. So that's why I choose area. Okay, now you have to create an expression transformation. So go to the expression transformation. You just create one output field. You should give a meaningful name. So I gave out area name, and this is a string. This field will accept the value from the lookup table. So lookup table will send me the port over here in this field, and it's going to send a string. So that's why I choose string data type. Okay, and now click here. Over here, first you're going to choose built-in function. Scroll down, click lookup, and then just click this one. So I'm going to delete this one. And then over here, what are you going to send to the lookup table? So I'm going to send the area. Area has 01, 02, 03, so on. So I'm going to send field, choose field, and I'm going to send area. Now you have to validate it, pass, click OK, hit save. Now you create a target. My target object is in Oracle database. It's a single object. Table name is crimes underscore LA underscore 20. And then you go to the field mapping and you just use auto map, and if something is not mapping properly, and then you just select that one. So for me it worked properly. So and then hit save, and I'm going to truncate this table. Right now this table has data. Okay, so I'm going to truncate this table. My table doesn't have any data. I can show you. Okay, it's empty right now. So now if I run it, see, it's populating properly.